What is up, guys? Brian with the Dirt and Snow YouTube channel, and a little bit different point of view for you guys today. But as I was kind of thinking about this channel and thinking about what I was doing with it, kind of brought me back to what created my passion for the off-road, lifted trucks, things like that. I think it went back to mountain biking, really. So there's that sort of old saying that men don't grow out of buying toys, men don't grow out of their toys. The toys just get bigger and more expensive. So here's another one of my hobbies. And originally I kind of made this channel as sort of a dumping ground for my snowboard and mountain bike videos, thus the name Dirt and Snow. But at the urging of a buddy of mine, he said that, you know what, you could probably be a really good help to a lot of these novice truck builders out here. So I kind of took the channel in that direction, and we're going to continue kind of letting this channel evolve as it will. But I figured I would make a little montage of my downhill. I'm going out on the trail right now, and we'll show you a little bit of the out and back footage. But just wanted to thank everybody who watched my last video. That was a pretty exciting one. See my metrics kind of go off more than other videos right now. So here's to seeing what's next, what you guys like. And forgive the short breath, please, because I'm climbing hills at 9,000 feet, so that's kind of rough. But yeah, pretty pumped for this channel. I was realizing that I never really gave you guys a walk around of this vehicle. I never showed you which parts I chose for my build. Kind of seems disingenuous with me talking a little bit of crap, not as much as crap as I'm willing to talk on this channel in my last video about various mods. And I haven't put mine out there for the masses to judge. Ooh, what a sufferfest. But the whole reason that I took this channel in the direction that I did was because I did not think that there was enough positivity towards novices on the forums, on the internet, in this whole truck industry, this whole lifestyle. The forums and everything that you jump on, you can say, hey, I want to do this to my truck, I want it to look like this. And once you get past all the people telling you how stupid it is, you might maybe possibly get some decent advice on how to do it. And I've found so much frustration in that, and I think that that sort of keeps a lot of people out of the industry, keeps a lot of people that would have made good mechanics from even trying in the first place. But without further ado, roll that beautiful bike footage. Just kidding, it's gonna be totally average. I'm a very okay rider, so here comes the downhill. I'm just going to keep this walk around super simple. This is my Ram 2500 2020 year model with the Cummins. So it's kind of got that dud year as far as the fuel pumps. So working on that recall right now. They have ordered my parts for it. Apparently Stellantis is limiting the number of orders dealers can make, or my dealer just told me that so that I would get off their back. But either way, kind of funny. I do like this truck a lot, as long as the fuel pump does not grenade like that recall is hoping to fix. But let's just dive into it. So I'm just going to start from front to back as far as what I did with this truck. So we've got the Baja Designs fog light pods. These are the Squadrons. They are super bright in the city, and since this truck does have cornering lights when I'm below 25 or have my turn signal on below 25, sometimes I can't use them in the city, so a little bit of a miscalculation there. But I do love them, especially for off-road at night. They'll light up pretty much everything. Just don't use them within the city. And then of course down there we've got that CJC off-road. That is the intercooler guard that they make. So you can get rid of that big front fairing that they have that cuts off like 4 inches of ground clearance on these trucks. And let's see how much I can lighten you guys up. And then of course we've got the Thurin kit in there. We've got the Fox shocks in there. So much more of a road focused setup. Kind of see what I'm working with there. Custom Thurin tuned Fox shocks. Of course I've got the Thurin sway bar in there if my camera will focus. And then the Thurin track bar. That Thurin track bar is awesome. I was running this on another kit. I was running another Icon kit, as you saw in one of my first videos, and I skimped out on the track bar originally, and that's honestly a great addition. Really helps you get rid of some of that head shake going over some weird bumps. I don't know that it's necessarily all bumps, but there's certain bumps that you definitely feel a difference with this new track bar. And of course the WeatherTech side window deflectors, big fan of those, kind of help me keep that window open. As far as the wheels and tires go, let's see, we've got the Raceline clutch. These are 20x9, and then of course 37 1250 Baja Boss ATs. These are a 3-peak mountain snowflake rated tire up to the 12.5 wide. I might go with 13.5 wide next time and not worry about that 3-peak mountain snowflake rating. Hopefully it's not too big of a difference. And then of course the Weston, I believe these are the HDX side steps. Pretty nice to get in and out of there. I really didn't want to go with the expense of the amp research or anything like that. They are really nice to get, but these do just fine and kind of go with my rugged look that I was going for. And then out back, of course, the Thurin kit, I went with the 2.75 inch lift up front. And then out back, they had these soft ride coils that they were selling, and of course the Fox shocks out back. The soft ride coils that I got brought the rear end up 1 inch. They do have a option to lower by 1 inch, which is kind of cool because I know a lot of people talk crap about the Cali lean, but there are certain applications where the Cali lean actually works. If you are doing something where you're going to be in sand, sometimes it pays to drop the back end down. And then of course, for my mountain bikes, the Yakima mountain bike pad. But yeah, there is my truck. I love this stance on it. I love just how, I mean, it's about the perfect amount of stance outside of that fender when it comes to not completely stonewashing the side of my truck. Of course, I do have to wash it quite a bit over the winter time, because it just throws that magnesium chloride that we got out here all over the side of my truck. But there's my truck. Be sure, if you are building your own truck, make sure to head over to Custom Offsets and use my promo code. It really helps me out, and it'll really help me get a lot more fun stuff to test out on this channel. Cheers, guys.